In this video, we'll cover option B of pre-proof detailing of wall penetrations, which may include any penetrations less than 1 inch in diameter or with an irregular surface. Option B assumes no Bituthene membrane is on hand. If Bituthene membrane is on hand, you may also refer to the Detail 49A video. What you'll need: pre-proof membrane, Bituthene liquid membrane, pre-proof CJ tape, knife, roller, trowel, gun grade water stop, GCP swell seal WA, and Hydroduct 220, as needed to bring vertical substrates up to spec. This detail can be performed on horizontal surfaces with penetrations that include rebar, dowel, and all thread. And it can be performed on vertical surfaces. Note that on vertical surfaces, Hydroduct 220 drainage composite can be used to bridge gaps up to 2 inches to quickly bring substrate to spec. Begin by cutting the pre-proof membrane to within a ½ inch of the penetration, ensuring it isn't riding up the penetration. If the membrane is riding up the penetration, trim the excess. If working on a vertical substrate, apply fasteners, typically 2 small-headed nails or staples, a maximum of 1 inch from the penetration, to keep the pre-proof membrane tight to the substrate. Next, cut and dry fit pre-proof membrane into 12-inch square target patches. To fit the target patch, mark the outside diameter of the penetration and cut around it accordingly. Continue this process, fitting all target patches around all penetrations. Next, mix the Bituthene liquid membrane. Install a hefty 1-inch fillet of Bituthene liquid membrane at the base of the penetration, sealing from the penetration to the field sheet. Next, slide a pre-cut 12-inch square pre-proof membrane target patch over the penetration and wet set it into the uncured Bituthene liquid membrane fillet. Now, apply Bituthene liquid membrane, starting from the CJ tape and extending 6 inches up the penetration. Next, wrap a piece of pre-proof tape around the base of the penetration into the uncured liquid membrane, overlapping the tape onto itself by at least 2 inches. The purpose of the pre-proof tape is to hold the liquid membrane in place as it cures, while also ensuring a complete bond to the concrete that will be poured. Then use pre-proof tape to seal the target patch to the field sheet, using the CJ tape to create a picture frame-like border around the patch, centering the tape over the edges of the patch. Again, roll the tape. Conclude the detail by installing a GCP water stop. A gun-grade water stop, such as GCP swell seal WA, is ideal for penetrations of this type. With this detail completed, you've achieved a proper watertight termination to maintain the continuity of the pre-proof waterproofing system. For more information about GCP products and step-by-step videos for installation and details, visit gcpat.com/learn-preproof.